Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to find your routing number on PayPal. It's quick and easy, so let's jump right in. First, open the PayPal app on your phone or you can go to PayPal.com on your computer. Once you're in, tap on Wallet at the bottom right. From there, select Go to Direct Deposit. On this screen, you'll see your PayPal account number and just below that, your routing number. This routing number is for your personal PayPal account, and it works for checking deposits. Now, keep in mind that PayPal also uses a different routing number if you're sending or receiving a wire transfer. To find that one, simply search online for PayPal wire transfer routing number. You'll see the official one listed on PayPal's help pages. So remember, use the direct deposit routing number for standard deposits into your PayPal account, and use the wire transfer routing number if you're dealing with an international or domestic wire. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.